Scarves are not just about looking good. They're also super useful when it's cold outside. A long time ago, pilots used to fly planes that were wide open. They wore silk scarves to keep their necks warm. So they're both stylish and functional, and adding a scarf to your outfit is a great way to stand out. A lot of men stay away from them either because they think scarves are not masculine enough or they don't know how to wear them. Gentlemen, in this video, I'm gonna show you 11 different ways to wear a scarf and still look manly. But before we get into that, let's talk about the size of the scarf. Scarves are just long pieces of fabric, so you only have to think about two things: their length and width. Most scarves for adults are about 70 inches long, but if you're a bit shorter or taller, you might prefer a different length. Your height can affect how you wear certain styles, but unless you're really short or really tall, you don't need to worry about getting a super short or long scarf. Most men's scarves are about 6 inches wide, which is usually perfect. But if you have a wider scarf and want it to be thinner, just fold it in half. Now, when it comes to wearing a scarf, there are many different ways. Let's start with the drape, which is as simple as it gets. The drape leans more towards style rather than function and should be used for when the weather is cool but not cold. As the name implies, just drape the scarf over your neck and you're good to go. If you would like it to be a little more functional, you can tuck the ends of the scarf into your jacket for extra warmth. Next, we have the once around. This one provides more warmth around the neck than the drape, and so can be worn in colder weather. Start by draping the scarf over your neck, making one end longer than the other. Take the long end and bring it around your neck and you're done. The ends of the scarf can either be equal length or uneven. It's really up to the wearer's preference. Next up, we've got the Cowboy. The Cowboy knot adds Western charm to your winter look. Drape the scarf over your neck, with one end noticeably longer. Take the longer end, wrap it around your neck twice, then tuck one side into the neck, ensuring the shorter side is beneath, creating a distinctive shape. Now we have the chest warmer, which is more complex than it appears at first glance. Drape the scarf over your neck, then cross it in front of your chest before bringing the ends around your back. Tie the two ends together in the back, and then tie up your jacket and you're all set. This knot is a great way to add a little extra warmth to a jacket. Next, let's talk about the reverse drape. This is a great option for colder weather, as it provides a lot of protection to the neck. Drape the scarf over your neck, making sure both ends are of equal length. Take one end of the scarf and bring it across your neck and over the opposite shoulder, then do the same with the other side. Adjust it around your neck if necessary, and you're done. Next up, the Parisian Knot. A very classy looking scarf knot. It provides good warmth to the neck and is a good choice in colder weather. Fold your scarf in half widthwise, then fold it half again lengthwise. Drape it over your neck and then bring the loose ends through the hole formed by the folded end. Tighten the scarf around your neck and you're ready to go. Next up, we've got the fake knot. It's a more complicated knot to tie, but it's a great cold weather option. Drape the scarf over your neck, making one end longer than the other. Take the long end and bring it behind and around itself to form a loop. Then take the end down and through the loop. Grab the other end of the scarf and bring it down and through the loop as well. Work the knot up to your neck by gently pulling on each end while sliding the knot up. Now the reverse tuck. Not too commonly seen, this scarf knot works best with longer scarves. Drape the scarf over your neck, making one end longer than the other. Take the long end and loop it once around your neck. Now take the same end and tuck it through the loop you just formed. Grab the other side and tuck it through the loop as well, then adjust if necessary. Next up, the reverse cross. Very similar to the reverse tuck, this knot works great for longer scarves. Drape the scarf over your neck and make one end longer than the other. Take the long end and bring it up and around your neck. Now cross the long end over the other end, then bring it up and through the opening you just formed. Pull on the ends to tighten if needed, and you're done. Next, the 4-in-hand. Another great choice for long scarves. This knot protects the neck very well and is the perfect option when the weather is freezing cold. Like the Parisian knot, fold the scarf in half length and widthwise and then drape it over your neck. Take one of the loose ends and pull it through the loop formed by the folded end, twist the loop, then pull the other end through the loop. Continue to adjust the knot until it is sitting neatly around your neck. And let's not forget about the twice around. This is the best choice for freezing weather next to the four-in-hand, but it is much simpler to tie. Drape the scarf over your neck, making one end much longer than the other. Take the long end and wrap it around your neck, then repeat again, bringing it around your neck a second time. Adjust if needed to completely cover your neck. And gents, what video to watch next? Well, boom, I got you covered with this one right here. Oh yeah, click it. You will go to the next video like magic. And yes, come on, tired of holding this thing up. Come on guys, click, go, check it out. Good video.